8 minus 3 times 8 minus 2. Some persons will want to solve it like this. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. Bring down your multiplication sign. 5 times 6, you will have 30. But this answer is very wrong. Don't try this. Now follow me closely. Let me teach you how to solve it the right way. Now there's something called BODMAS. Okay. Bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. What does that mean? It means that when you're solving operational questions like this, it means questions that have different operations, different signs. You follow BODMAS. Division comes. Since there's no bracket, there's no off, there's no division, and multiplication is next. So that tells us that we are solving the one with multiplication first. So you have minus 3 times 8 to give us minus 24. Okay, so bring down 8, then you have minus 2. All right, now 8 minus 24, because this is a negative sign and this is a smaller number, this is bigger than 8, you're going to have a negative answer. So 8 minus 24 is going to give us minus 16. All right, now minus 16 minus 2. The minus will come together. We're going to have minus 18. Now this is how you solve it. Thanks for watching, guys.